Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Give me here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Labas, yeah, man, currently with French Montana. Yes, and 𝐶J_THechemist. I think it's his production. 𝐶J_THechemist, big up a 70 with New York Girls remix. Yes. I've seen a trend here where French Montana is remixing. Him do White remix with Massacre, now him do NY Girls remix with Labas. So I'm going to jump in one and see what's going on, man. Labas! Yeah, man, currently French Montana. NY Girls remix. Let's go.
It's something about a Jamaican man that just,
yeah.
I don't know, especially them bad boys.
Chemist Records, big up yourself, Mitchie.
Whatever you tell me to do, I'm
going to do. Me like good girls, we love badness.
Me love independent.
Bad bitch, drive by anytime, love your madness. Me like fucking night party, me
can't trust a girl from Brooklyn. Tim's on with the good skin. Turn your block to F1, she gon' spin. If you see her through Kingston, tell her hit me up. She over there in me march, try to any up. Catch.
It's something about a Jamaican man that just, I don't know, especially them bad boys.
Why I'm starting verse, sir? French, talk to them again. Alright. We love
badness.
Alright. Independent.
Bad bitch, drive by anytime, love your madness.
Video clean. Reese, big up. Alright.
Can't trust a girl from Brooklyn.
Can't trust her.
Tim's on with the good skin. Turn your block to F1, she gon' spin. If you see her through Kingston, tell her hit me up. She over there in me march, try to any up. Catch me on my ting, I be low when I creep. Duke know the taboo, you know she don't sleep. Straight from Norman Manley, New York down to Florida. I'ma call her Tyler, cause that pussy water. Pull up on my.
It's something about a Jamaican man that just, I
don't know. Rude.
Oh my God.
Rude French.
Me like good girls.
Me love
badness.
Me love
independent bad bitch.
Rude.
Time love your madness. Me like fucking night party.
Alright.
Can't trust a girl
from Brooklyn.
Tim's
on with the good skin.
Turn your block to F1, she gon' spin. If you see her through Kingston, tell her hit me up. She over there in me march, try to any up. Catch me on my ting, I be low when I creep. Duke know the taboo, you know she don't sleep. Straight from Norman Manley, New York down to Florida. I'ma call her Tyler, cause that pussy water. Pull up on my yard ting like Wagwan. CB Don like Buju Banton. Bad man need a dancehall queen. Please stop the cap and your bitch love me, huh?
Circle Queens, Godspeed shirt on purple my jeans. Some boys slow like turtle for real. Boom boom a jump on a hurdle, she mean. Buck a girl a southside.
It's something about a Jamaican man that just, I don't know, especially them bad boys. Oh my God. Whatever you tell me to do,
what I say?
Me like good girls.
Alright.
Badness.
Again.
Like independent bad bitch. Drive by anytime, love your madness.
Rich girl you can't trust. Who you can't trust?
A girl
from
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Tim's on with
the good skin.
Turn your block to F1, she gon' spin. If you see her through Kingston, tell her hit me up. She over there in me march, try to any up. Catch me on my ting, I be low when I creep.
Yeah.
Duke know the taboo, you know she don't sleep.
Sleep.
Straight from Norman Manley, New York down to Florida. I'ma call her Tyler, cause that pussy water. Pull up on my yard ting like Wagwan. CB Don like Buju Banton. Real bad man need a dancehall queen. Please stop the cap and your bitch love me, huh?
Circle Queens, Godspeed shirt on purple my jeans. Some boys slow like
Circle for real.
Boom boom a jump on a
French Montana verse slap, bro. Yeah.
Back away, girl, them no know nothing cheap. Gun pon the Merrick dog, load up a jeep. No police, no come in when you hear about way. Just buck a girl from Bronx. Mount Vernon, she a get on, she hear about murder. I show me she thick, but she have a friend firmer. Grow with the burn and a learner. But buck a girl up a gun in and she a tell me she a squirt.
Yeah.
Merca, I no
pussy clad. She said she a what?
She hear about murder. I show me she thick, but she have a friend firmer. Grow with the burn and a learner. But buck a girl up.
She a pro with the burner, she a no learner. She's in the streets and she's knocking it.
Come in a furry.
Why you do it, John?
Oh, me she thick, but she have a friend firmer. Grow with the burn and the learner. But buck a girl up a gun in and she a tell me she a skirt America. And no green card me a search for. Me just have one bag of girl in my place and a bag of darkness like two for the first block.
Pussy clot. And a green card we a surfer, bro. And a green card we a searcher.
One bag of girl in my place and a bag of darkness like two for the first block. 30 queens, Godspeed shirt and purple me jeans. Some boys slow like
turtle for real.
Boom boom a jump on a hurdle she mean. Buck a girl a outside she say more Louis V. Back away girl them no know
nothing cheap.
Gun pon the Merrick dog load up a Jeep. No police no come in when you hear about way. RJ Allen uptown. Right round, that's how we a touch now.
Pussy clap.
Nothing she a shop. Clip them full no teeth, no missing gully bob. Come in a Farid.
Me teeth them. What him say?
Uptown. Right round, that's how we a touch now. Me see a cat is say man nothing she a shop. Me clip them full no teeth, no missing gully bob.
Me clip them full of teeth, not no missing, and a gully bop, you know, gully bop teeth missing, but another type of teeth them attack of this.
Come in a Farid. Me see a cat is say man nothing she a shop. Me clip them full no teeth, no missing gully bop. Time Square watch a glitter up on my watch. Think me no know and then a catty want a snap. So she have a boyfriend we love watch. So if you booking when I'm done block.
Yo, the man just make the thing that's like he might have a bag of things. No effort. It's like him dead it, but him not have it dead it. Him no want dead it. That's the energy me I get. But him dead it, and I just lava style that, bro. Like him not kill up himself. Lava not kill up self, bro. Kill up with self.
So she have a boyfriend we love watch. So if you booking when I'm done block. Me tell her say queens. Be a killer day I'm gonna work with the team. She say she heavy and no burden she mean. Bumper big, she do twerking with this.
Yeah, easy.
Clean with some more Louis V. And I see girl, them no know nothing cheap. Gun pon the 90s, load up the beast. No police, no come in when them here about way.
True, me like good girls.
They love
badness.
They love independent bad
bitch. Drive by anytime, love your madness. Me like fucking iPad, them attack true. Me like good girls, we love badness. Me like independent bad bitch. Drive by anytime, love your madness. Me like fucking iPad.
Big song.
Just fuck a girl from Brooklyn.
Touch thing.
Good body, good skin. One nose
Push him.
Love when we step in my place
Like puss milk.
Come on, hope you no mix up like munchie. Alright, boom flip. Boom good day. Push with girl in a car, I say pulls it. New lads, girl in a dance and I use spill flat bush. Whatever you want on a toe skill 90s.
Pussy clap. Chemist record, pick up yourself. Chemist, pick up your fucking self, me J. What can I say? Like, yo, I never see this coming. I never see this remix falling, but it's here. French, pick up yourself, me J. It's a need bad remix, and this is a bad remix. So Chemist, you have a massive hit song right here. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yo, what can I say, bro? It's no point saying anything about Labas. French, pick up yourself. French, you fuck with the culture, and I like it. I like it. We will see how do the remix them. We like it. We like it. Labas. Labas is fucking Labas, bro. Certain artists don't need me to say nothing about them, bro. Certain artists don't need me to say nothing. Yeah, certain artists don't need my input, bro. They don't need it. Yes. Labas is one of those artists. Labas, pick up your fucking self. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, bro. This one's fire.
Why you do it, John Crow?
I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.